Recently, one of my colleague bought this phone, Motorola Razr 40. It was released June 2023. Weight 188.6 gram. Plastic front, unfolded. Plastic front folded. Plastic back, aluminum frame. 7000 series, stainless steel. This phone is 1 nano SIM and 1 eSIM variant, 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM. Display type LTPO AMOLED, 1 billion colors, 144Hz, HDR10 plus, 1400 nits. Display size 6.9 inch, resolution 1080 into 2640 pixels, 413 ppi density. Second external AMOLED, 1000 nits peak, 1.5 inches. Android 13 supported, plan to upgrade 14. Qualcomm Snapdragon 7450 AB Snapdragon 7 generation 1 4 nanometer chipset. Main camera 64 megapixel wide angle. Secondary camera ultra wide 13 megapixel. LED flash panorama HDR. Video 4K 30 frame rate per second. Selfie camera 32 megapixel, 4K 30 frame rate per second video, 180 pixel. Battery 4200 mAh, 30 watt wire charging, 5 watt wireless charging. Full video coming soon. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.